I think the larger thing I'll leave us with is this larger social conversation about the role of finance in people's lives and how core it is. So is it a public good for people to have checking or savings? You know, is there a part of what people fundamentally need to be able to contribute to the economy and be a part of society that means that that the market can't serve? I just think that we do need to have a conversation about what can the market, how far can the market go downstream, and what levels of things might require, the market still might serve it, but maybe it requires subsidy. I don't think we know the answers about which kinds of things require subsidy, but certainly we knew with retirement accounts that an IRA account's not profitable till it's $15,000, right? Well, who's going to really bring in that space? Or is there a reinsurance? Or is there, you know, what are the things that would allow the market to work? Are there places for subsidy? Are there core services? One of the things that we've been working with a lot is a group of nonprofit leaders in financial technology and Lyft. And part of their sense is we want to partner with for-profit FinTech and we want to partner with nonprofit agencies because we think that there are fundamentally some on-ramp products and services that people need that the market's never going to provide in and of itself. But there may be ways to do that, and there may be ways to structure different kinds of capital to do that work, but to think about that as a long-term continuum. And so I'll leave it there with the sense that that also comes back to the issue of trust and institutional trust. I think that's the other opportunity, and also one of the biggest dangers with FinTech is there is an opportunity for new brands that don't have a lot of baggage to build transparency and trust with populations who really care and are really tuned in. And there's overall a decline of trust in all major institutions. So I think there's a real opportunity to build trust there. Of course, the flip side of that is it doesn't take much to completely undo it if that actually isn't, you know, one of the primary drivers of things. And I think some of these nonprofit partners or who your partners are can help to validate, you know, kind of like accelerate the validation and the trust into that space.